Bayraktar KIZILELMA PT-3, AB-assisted takeoff, maneuvering system identification test successfully conducted. Test highlights: AI-enhanced maneuvering capabilities evaluated, seamless takeoff and flight control assessment, improved combat readiness for next-gen air combat. The latest test confirms Bayraktar KIZILELMA's rapid progress toward autonomous air superiority, marking a major leap in unmanned fighter jet evolution.
KIZILELMA PT-4 successfully completed the aerodynamic system identification test with afterburner takeoff. KIZILELMA, an unmanned combat aircraft developed by Bayraktar PT-4, the fourth prototype. In this test, they examined the aircraft's aerodynamic behavior, airflow, stability, during takeoff using the afterburner, a mode that burns extra fuel for additional thrust. Everything went smoothly, and the test was successfully completed. The real uproar will break out when the twin-engine version, called KIZILELMA C, hits the field.